Oh, uh, yeah, I don't know, the fridge, it, it's about once a day I notice it. It makes this pretty loud sound. It doesn't always do it, but I just wanted to inform you just because it's pretty new. Let me pause so you can have the comparison of where it starts, when it stops. So now it's more like a hum. It's not as buzzy. Yeah, that sounds normal, but it's still, the compressor is still running. But yeah, I don't know. It just sounds very like buzzy for a bit, and I don't. I'm, I haven't had a fridge be that different in sound. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. My finger might have been on it. On the mic. Let's see. So I just took my finger away. But yeah, it's like a calm sound. Before it was a little buzzy. Like, to me, I don't mind, but you just purchased a new fridge, and I